Interacting with museum visitors who are experiencing glass for the first time is hard to explain, but if I had to, I would say it's joy and amazement.
The most impactful aspect of working in Make Your Own are the opportunities when I get to work directly with the public. For me, it's like that first time, when a kid tries ice cream and their brain just kind of explodes. It's that pure, guileless joy. And being in an opportunity to be able to witness that at least on a weekly basis is it's pretty awesome. It's pretty incredible.
It's essential that we grow the number of Make Your Own Glass opportunities here in Corning so that we can best serve our visitors and our community. Through the StudioNEXT expansion, we'll be able to offer more of our most popular projects and provide new, more technically challenging experiences. And we'll make glass so much more accessible by dramatically scaling up the sheer number of projects available so that we can offer 100,000 Make Your Own Glass experiences each year. To me, it's an opportunity to reimagine how we can engage our visitors.
I think there's such an importance in educating the general non-glass community about the process of what it takes to make glass. They understand that value and they're much more willing to support it. The relationship with the studio, the museum, to Corning Inc. and all of our wonderful donors and supporters, makes it a place that everybody in the community wants to be at and wants to be part of. We look forward to welcoming you to the new Make Your Own Glass Center at the studio. Will you join us as we create more access and more opportunities for glassmakers of all ages and experience levels?